Another benefit which we derive from the seerah, a very, very important benefit in the times that we are living in, is that the more a person knows the seerah and is absorbed into the seerah, the books of the biography of the Prophet ﷺ and his companions and the pious predecessors, the more he is absorbed into these things, he creates around himself an environment of piety and righteousness that isolates him and cuts him from the society that he's living in and the evils that he's facing in his day-to-day life. Many of our brothers and sisters who complain that how can I get a righteous environment? How can I get righteous friends? Many parents are worried that how can I give my children an environment of piety and righteousness, because our societies are getting worse from day to day. It seems like truthfulness and sincerity have been vanished. Obscenity and nudity are becoming the new trend. Finding pious people, righteous people has become difficult because piety, righteousness, and attesting yourself and attaching yourself to the religion is considered something that has been outdated. In such an environment, how do we find righteous friends, a righteous environment? The best way to achieve this is to be involved in reading and knowing and understanding the seerah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It feels, the more you read the seerah, it feels as if you are one of the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, present at the very spot where these different incidents took place. And it is known from experience that a person, the culture he lives in, and the environment in which he is surrounded, and the people whom he meets, this has an impact on his character, on his personality. If a person lives in a culture where he's always reading about celebrities, about sports stars and film stars, we cannot expect him to grow up and be the like of Abu Bakr and Umar, may Allah be pleased with them. However, if a person is absorbed into books of seerah, of the pious predecessors, of the Muslim scholars and the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and above all the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself, he finds himself drawn back and pulled back into the righteous environment which the Prophet ﷺ lived in. And such a person, we can expect him to be the likes of the companions and the great Muslim scholars. So the seerah has a great role in the upbringing of the Muslim generation and giving them an environment of piety and righteousness in a society that is drenched in all sorts of evils.